Guys, I made the money in just one trading session. Do you want the same result? Then watch this video till the end, because with this strategy you will make huge profits and make really big money. So now I'm going to show you how I get results. First of all, I will use today Don'Chan channel. Its period will be 20, which I leave as default, and I will combine it with the stochastic oscillator that I had added. I'm of course as usual going to look at the chart as a wall, and on this candle pair we see quite an interesting situation. We can notice a flat here, we can notice a little wave structure, but I think in the next minute the price will go down, trade down. And guys, my first profit. You can congratulate me. Just look at what a great entry points I found. Look, stochastic is at an overbought level above the 70 mark. This tells us of a further reversal. I also want to point out to you here a small resistance level which the price has certainly reached. Look at this level right here. That's why my first trade was here. Guys, let's move on to the next currency pair. Let's see. What do we see here? Yes, we can see that the situation here is similar to the previous one. And you know, I think there are already a few waves here, and the situation will probably be similar to the previous one. And I want to move into my investments. I want to increase them by $2 and open a trade up. And guys, as you can see, I'm back in profit. My deposit is growing every time. And if you want to make the same kind of profit on Quotex, I want to invite you to my Telegram channel. There you can find a lot of useful information about trading and binary options, also absolutely free trading signals. All you need to do is follow the link to this video, private message me. I want to trade. I will add you to a Telegram channel with signals absolutely free. Well guys, let's get back to our trading session. And you know what I noticed? I added the Don'Chan channel indicator, but for some reason it doesn't show up. I don't know what the reason is. Let's take a look at the following currency pair that pretty weird. Well, let's try to add it again. I don't know, for some reason it's not showing up here. Okay guys, let's try to pick clothing channel. That's in pretty strange situation, but okay guys, let's just trade with stochastic oscillator only. It's pretty good at showing entry points too. Let's go back to the currency pair. On this currency pair we see an equally cool situation. Here we can also notice a flag, a small zone of pro trading, but frankly speaking, the price still has room to fall. That's what I want to invest $3 here, trade down. And guys, as you can see, I'm back in profit. My balance is already starting to slowly grow, one step at a time. Yeah guys, honestly, I want to make about 5,000 in this trading session. Let's see how I do. Let's look at the situation here. What do we see here? Look, the price has been at the above level for quite some time. But I still want to open the trade down here, and the stochastic are starting to look down. I want to get this move. Trade down, let's go. Ta-da, guys! As you can see, I was again able to anticipate a great entry point, despite the fact that the Quotex is laying today. We're working with only one indicator, the stochastic. I still managed to predict a great entry points. Look guys, there is actually a little bit of a resistance level here. That's why my trend was down here. As we can see, the price reached this level for the first time, and now price is back at that level. In addition, we can see a slight upward structure here. Price is moving as such a small price upward channel, and that's why my trade was down here. The $11 on my own balance. Let me remind you, I started trading with only $1, and I want to see what's going on here. Yeah, pretty strong bullish movement. The uptrend continues. Let's try going to the 5-minute time frame and see what's going on here. And you know, today the Quotex and preventing him from going to the 5-minute time frame again. Well, okay, let's go to this currency pair. On this currency pair, we see a small zone of pro trading, but now we can see this price is at the support level, so 11 bucks trade up. And guys, I'm back in the black. And as you can see, again, I was able to anticipate these great entry points. Let me show you everything now so that you understand everything perfectly. On this currency pair, we can analyze a rather strong level. It's a mirror level. Look, it used to be a resistance level. The price reached it 3 times. This level was then broken and is now a support level, of course. That's why my trade was up here. Well guys, let's not stop there because my financial goal for this strategy is much bigger. By the way guys, share in the comments what your favorite indicator combination. I am really very interested, and if you suddenly want me to record a video explaining any indicator, write me about it in the comments as well. Well, let me see what's going on here. And guys, on this currency pair we see a pretty good situation too. Here, price is moving in such a small downward price channel. We can now not type that the price is at the support level, and you know, I want to open a trade out here for $20. And guys, another profitable trade again. As you can see, my balance is growing right before your eyes, step by step. Despite the fact that price is moving in a downward price channel, I want to point out here a small resistance level formed, and it was really the right decision that price will go down in the next minute. Well guys, let's see what's going on here. Guys, I see a pretty interesting situation on this currency pair. We can see that the trend is upward, but look, that this pattern is a double top, and that's why I want to invest 135 bucks here, trade down. Guys, great entry points again. Look at my balance already at 68 bucks, and actually I want to tell you that you can't always use indicators. Look, now I trade with only one indicator, stochastic oscillator, and in such cases, of course, my knowledge of technical analysis helps me. Look, it's a reversal figure, 2 tops. There was a slight retest on the neck here, and the downward movement will continue to above this level. Well guys, I hope you've made your point. I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description of this video, so come on over. There you can find a lot of useful information about trading, binary options, also absolutely free trading signal. We continue our trading session. Let's go back again to the first currency pair and see what's going on here. And guys, pretty strong conventional movement. Look, many levels have been broken, and yes, there is a good payout percentage here, but I don't want to take any chances. It's like flat trading, you know, very dangerous. Let's take a look at what's going on here. And here we see that price is moving in this kind of small downward price channel, and I want to say that the movement here is likely to be upward. Therefore, $68 trade up. And guys, I'm back in the black, and as you can see, again, a great entry point. Look, if we zoom in, we can see that there a candle here, a reversal candle. It has a small body, a fairly long wick. The target that the downward movement continues. Look, you can observe a similar situation here and here, and as you can see, all the time after downward movement, we have price reversing again. Well, then let's move on to this currency pair. Let's analyze the situation here. Yeah, guys, I want to reopen the trade up here. It's a very interesting situation. That's why it's $125 trade up. just another option entry points for this trading session. As you can see, I haven't had a single trade loss. I've opened a few, and that's about it because I analyze charts very carefully and my level of technical analysis is just top notch. With a balance of $230, we're already approaching $1,000, and let's take a look at what's happening on this currency pair. And we're seeing some pretty strong movement too. The upward trend can be seen continuous, but there is rather small level of support here, and I want to tap this level, $50. Trade up, let's go. And guys, as you can see, unfortunately, this is where I lost, but actually, I think you should have opened a trade for, let's say, 2 minutes, and we had the upper hand at the way. Let's not get ups. Let's continue our trading session. I want to switch to this currency pair. You can see here that the upward movement has continued. We see this candle with small bodies and long wicks. And you know, I still want to invest $180 here. Trade up, let's go. And another profitable trade. As you can see, I won this time well. My balance is slowly starting to grow. Look, this is actually quite an interesting wave structure. I think that the price will still continue its upward movement despite the fact that the market is very volatile here. Let's add a few more currency pair. Let it be the New Zealand dollars and the Canadian dollars. It has a very good payout percentage, of course, that consolidate this currency pair, and I'd like to add the American dollars and the Mexican peso. Let's move on this currency pair. I see a rather interesting situation here. Look, there is a little bit of a retracement zone here, but now price is at the support level. We can see from the stochastic that this has been at an oversold level for a long time. So I think there needs to be a turnaround in price. That's why it's $330 trade up. And guys, another profit. As you can see, I opened the trade in the lowest point. Just look at how accurate that point was. Again, guys, that's today trade without indicator, just based on my technical analysis, on candlestick analysis, and on what the stochastic oscillator shows me. Here, guys, that was a great entry point, but I want to capitalize a little bit more today, so we'll move on over here. And what do we see here? Here, it's a pretty good situation again. I want to get the downtrend, so $630 trade down. Here we go. And guys, unfortunately, this is where I got my refund. But let's not get arms. In fact, I'll tell you again, you should have just opened the trade for 2 minutes. So, for example, and I would have been profitable. Let's not get upset, but anyway, 80% is very little for me. Let's move on to this currency pair. And here you can see that the downward movement continues. Well, guys, we can see that the candle here are also alternating red, green, and such cases you need to trade on interesting understanding. $630 trade up, let's go. Guys, as you can see, I'm back in profit. It was a great entry point. By the way, what do you guys think is amount I will be able to reach in this trading session? The first one is $1,000, and that's pretty good. And I think we'll open a few more trades and I'll reach my $5,000 amount. By the way, guys, what would you spend $5,000 on if you made money on Quotex? Please write about it in comment. On the currency pair, we can see that the price has finally started its reversal, but look, there is a reversal pattern here, so you know, I think the downward movement will continue, but the price has not reached the resistance level yet, but I still want to give it a try. I see a little level here too. Trade down, let's go. Guys, just lose it. As you can see, I managed to make a profit literally at the last second. It was a pretty risky trade. Oh, lucky I am after all. And look, my deposit is already $2,335. I will remind you that I started trading on Quotex with only $1, but I want to earn some more. And well, guys, let's move on to this currency pair right here. Quite a good payout percentage and no less excellent situation on this currency pair. I see this kind of upward price channel forming here. That's why I want to invest $2,300 here. Trade up, let's go. And guys, another profitable trade. As you can see, I just managed to double my deposit right in front of your eyes. Yeah, where is it? Now I want to draw you a picture. Here price is moving in a small upward price channel. There is it. This is a support level, this is a resistance level, and the price frankly has room to grow. When this level is reached, the price will of course turn around, continue downward movement, and it will continue until some upper or lower level is broken. I think the upper level will be broken. Well guys, I want to open another trade for today. Let's be here. Let's see. I see a similar situation on this currency pair. We can attack that the price has reached the support level as well. So I want to invest also $2,000 trade up. Let's go. And guys, as you can see, I won the trade. Look at that. My balance is $5,821. I was able to earn this amount in just 15 minutes from $1. You have to admit, it's just kind of crazy. Guys, I think that's enough for today. I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. You can find a link in the description of this video. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. I wish you all a profitable good day. Bye bye.